to this class. So I have already took you the introduction and the analysis part that comes under info section. So I have divided the video into two parts. The part 1 comes under the introduction, and the part 2 we are analyzed and the step procedure for to design the T-beam under info section. So this is the part 3 of the video. So if you missed watching part 1 and part 2, so kindly watch that watch the part 1 and part 2, and then you come for part 3. So kindly see the link and see part 1 and part 2, or else it is very difficult to understand. Okay. So in part 3 we are going to see the step procedure for over reinforced section. So likewise in under reinforced section, in over reinforced section also there are two cases. As I already know, first case is if XU is less than or equal to DF. Case 1. So for case 1, it's very easy, same common procedure. XU is equal to what? 0.87 F5 AHP divided by 0.36 FCK into B. And what is the formula? Moment of resistance formula is equal to 0.36 FCK BW into XU into B minus 0.42 into XU. Same formula for first case if XU is less than DF. So the next case, second case, XU is if XU is greater than DF. XU is greater than DF. There is two methods as you have studied in your under info section. There are two methods. First one is you want to find YF. So the first I will write the formula for moment of resistance for over info section. The formula for moment of resistance for the over reinforcement section is same for the formula for moment of resistance for under info section. Same formula only. So I will write again. See, in code page number 97. See, you can find some page number 97. See 97. You can see this formula, right? So using this formula, you can easily write it. So I will write the formula first for moment of resistance. So that is 0.36 FCK BW into XU into D minus 0.42 XU plus, I will write it in bottom, 0.45 FCK into BF minus BW into YF into D minus YF by 2, or else this we can write as 1 by 2 is how much? 0.5. We can write it as also what? 0.5 into YF. 5 into YF. Okay. So this is the formula. So as you already know, there is XU also is there, YF is also there. So we want to find this XU and this YF. So to find XU and YF, what is the formula for finding YF? So YF is equal to 0.15 XU plus 0.65 DF. This is the formula to find YF. So first case, first part formula you will use for XU. In under reinforced section, you will use 0.87 into Fi into AHT minus 0.45 FCK BF minus BW into DF divided by 0.36 FCK into BW. That formula you will use. But here in the over reinforced formula, the only difference, I will show you the difference, only simple difference. Okay. Only difference between the under reinforced formula YF HU formula and the over reinforced formula HU formula. Only one difference is, see, XU is equal to same formula. See, same formula. Instead of 0.87 Fy AST, we are writing what? FST into AST. See, FST into AST minus 0.45 FCK dF minus dW into dF divided by 0.36 FCK into VW. Can you able to see this? Can you able to see this? Okay. So FST into AST. Okay. So in under reinforced one, what you write instead of here? 0.87 Fy. See, this FST is equal to 0.87 Fy. You understand? But in some cases, this FST value may change. In some cases, this FST value may change. Okay. This FST is nothing but 0.87 Fy. Understand? So first, in first case, so you will use this formula. You will use this formula and find XU. After finding XU, you will substitute in this formula the XU value in this formula, and you will get a FYF. And you will compare the YF with DF. If it is greater than or equal to DF, you will use this XU and YF, this YF value that you have got using this, substituting this XU value. That YF and XU value you substitute in the formula. This XU value you substitute in the formula, and instead of YF you substitute in this formula. But if YF is less than DF, note that if YF is less than DF, what you will do is, you will again calculate XU using another formula. The same only, but this value only changes. Here what? As you already know, right, another fixed reinforcement, what to do? What is it? 0.29 you will put, and same only 0.36 FCK BW plus another 0.067. 0.067 into the same FCK BF minus BW. FCK BF minus BW. You understand? It's very simple to memorize the formula. Once you practice your problem, you can easily able to take the formula by your own. You will not worry to have the code book and all. You will memorize. You can easily take from your memory. Okay, very easy to memorize the formula. So that's it. The analysis of over reinforced section. I will explain you again. See, first case you see XU is less than or DF means the normal common formula 0.75 AST divided by 0.36 FCK B, and the MU moment of resistance formula is 0.36 FCK BW into XU into D minus 0.42 into XU. That's the same formula. But if XU is greater than DF, so how this XU will find? This XU will get from XU is equal to 0.87 Fy AST divided by 0.36 FCK B. You see this common formula. You compare. If it is greater than DF means you have two cases. First you want to find YF is equal to 0.15 XU plus 0.65 into DF. So you want to find here XU. XU is one formula FST AST minus the first formula 0.45 FCK BF minus BW DF by 0.36 FCK BW, first formula. And you substitute this XC value here, you will get YF value. If it is equal or greater means you will take that YF and XC value and substitute in this formula. Or if it is less than, if YF value that you have got is less than the DF, means you will use another XC formula. X is equal to FST AST minus 0.45 minus 0.29 0.36, 0.067, and you will get one XU value. That XU value you will substitute here again, and you will get YF. That will be surely greater than DF. Surely it will be greater than DF. Okay. So that formula, that value, and that XU value, you will substitute in the formula, and you will find the moment of resistance. Understand? So this is your part 3. Thank you, students.